Yahoo Finance, probably the most common and popular library. There are a couple of others as well, Alpaca, some brokers, even you can get data from NSC website. Yahoo Finance is very reliable. The same for MACD, TA.MACD, Fibonacci retracements, all of these are just TA dot something. So there's nothing specific there. You can look up the website. Hey guys, welcome to QuantLab. QuantLab में आपका स्वागत है. So what I decided to do was a small series on introduction to Python. We did a webinar some time back and here's a detailed deep dive into the video series. Now we come to data integration. We will show some information about Dhan. ये मेरा खुद का API है, please use मत करना, copy मत करना. Cool. So I'm gonna show all the different brokers that I'm familiar with. So Zerodha obviously has been in the market for the most amount of time. They have the most structured approaches. Their APIs are also probably the best as per me. I think some of them are getting close to it, but it's probably good. So there are two ways of connecting usually, as I have written. APIs and WebSocket. काफ़ी लोग इसको मिक्स कर देते हैं. तो सिंपल ऐसे सोचते हैं कि when you use WebSocket connection when you need something live. So if you are working in live markets, if you are working with fast data, streaming मतलब tick by tick, second by second. I think tick by tick तो कोई broker directly नहीं provide. Mostly there's some latency by the time it reaches you, like 2 seconds, 1 second, या some millisecond or something like that. But so you use WebSockets for that if you have fast. If you are not working in that fast, then you use APIs like 10 minute ka data. Minute level data is also APIs are good. WebSockets are good, but they are like persistent connections, like live connections. The way you communicate with the server is different. APIs are request, response, WebSockets are live. Very basic introduction, कुछ ज़्यादा complex नहीं. Normally WebSocket is the most efficient speed, latency, resource consumption, bandwidth to get information, and each broker has different details as they return. For example, Zerodha quote will return you open, high, low, close, last traded price and spread of like 5 levels. Okay? Most of other information is available as APIs as well. Like you have standard APIs, you can read through the documentation. So Zerodha is super cool with APIs and documentation. Angel One is also having good details these days. They have something called a smart API and they are kind of building, showing it to people. There's a lot of detailed documentation available, secure, fast enough. They have libraries for Python, Java, Node, a lot of other libraries as well. And the documentation is also good. The third one is Dhan, which is also super nice these days. Very neat, clean. They have a developer kit. They have a DhanHQ Python client, which is like a library version, like a Python library version, which is what I'll show you. I don't know what's the release history on this. So they have very recently released it. And what I've seen them is they are okay in terms of upgrading their libraries. A lot of brokers I've seen, they just build and put it out. But problem क्या होता है कि as Python version upgrades, as NumPy, Pandas upgrades, all of these compatibilities becomes issue. So you want to use Dhan, but you also want to use some latest version of some library, so that becomes issues. Which is why I think these three are doing good. Again, not a recommendation. ये लोग देख cool. Dhan का थोड़ा detail देख लेते हैं. Why am I using Dhan? No reason. Installing DhanHQ, pip install DhanHQ, which is the library I just showed you. And how do you work with Dhan? You do from DhanHQ import DhanHQ, again too much of, like you can call it anything like import DQ or something, and then you create a object like Dhan object and you add an API key there. Basically API key क्या होती है कि it's a security credential between you and the platform. So this is secure information for you. How do you get this? You go to your portal and I don't know if mine is logged in or not. No, it's not logged in. But it's very easy to go get this in Dhan. You just go to the profile section, click there, and you should be able to get developer APIs. There are two kinds, data and trading. Use the trading one. So what do you get? Some operations, get holdings. This will give you everything that I hold. For example, City Union Bank है, Bandhan Bank है. बहुत थोड़े से trades पड़े. These are my training accounts. So you get basically all the information here. Get trading history. You can filter. You can add page numbers, etc. So trading history मिल गया, fund limits मिल गया, collateral मिल जाएगा, etc. etc. So the way you work with these brokers is that once you have worked out every strategy, every other detail जो करना है, trade execution के लिए इनसे integrate करो. For data providing, unless you need real-time data, then obviously use them. Otherwise, you should look for better sources. That's my take on it.